Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make case study in psychology class 12 full guide. Start by choosing a focused topic and defining your research question, then recruit one participant and get consent. Use a mix of interviews, observations, and standardized measures to gather rich data. Record everything carefully, keep a reflective journal, and protect confidentiality. Finally, analyze themes, connect findings to theory, and prepare a clear, ethical report for class submission. Decide on a clear research question and a practical design that fits class constraints. Select at least two methods, such as semi-structured interviews and direct observation, to cross-validate findings. Prepare consent forms, session guides, and simple scoring sheets to keep data organized. Schedule sessions with time buffers and pilot one session to refine prompts. Keep notes on context and mood to aid later interpretation and reliability checks. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future videos. On another note, a quick recommendation. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, makes for a light, useful break between study sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After data collection, transcribe interviews and organize observations into meaningful segments for coding. Identify themes and link them to relevant psychological theories from class, comparing expected outcomes versus actual findings. Explain limitations, ethical steps taken, and suggestions for future research. Use clear headings, concise language, and include anonymized excerpts to illustrate key points. Ensure your conclusion summarizes implications and practical takeaways for classmates and teachers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.